Geomagic Control X 2020 Service Pack 1 Updates to Deviation Location. The first update we would like to share is the ability to use custom surfaces as the reference surface. This opens up new workflows that require repeatable and automatable surface defect detection. Once a result has been created, the routine can be duplicated for future or additional scans. Using Control X's Replace Measure Data command, new results can be quickly and easily generated. The Result Navigator then makes it easy for users to compare results to identify differences or trends in their data. The second update to share is a new classification option called Proximity Threshold. This option allows users to add a bonus offset to objects by a custom distance, a distance usually dependent on the surface thickness. If the bonus offsets overlap between surface defects, then those defects will be grouped together and considered a single larger defect for measurement purposes. The third and last update to share are general UI/UX enhancements. Aside from minor terminology changes, users can now drag select objects for easier selection. Additionally, users can now use the delete key on the keyboard to remove selected objects.